Hello, kids. Today, we're going to learn about happiness and how science can help us understand what makes us happy. Happiness is a feeling that makes us smile, laugh, and feel good inside. But did you know that there's a science behind happiness? It's called positive psychology, and it's all about studying the things that make us happy and how we can create more happiness in our lives. One thing that can make us happy is doing things that we enjoy, like playing with our friends, going on a bike ride, or reading a book. Another thing that can make us happy is being kind to others. When we do something nice for someone else, it can make us feel happy too. But did you know that our brains also play a role in happiness? Our brains have a chemical called dopamine, which is sometimes called the happy chemical. When we do something that makes us happy, our brains release dopamine, which makes us feel good inside. So, how can we create more happiness in our lives? Well, one thing we can do is to focus on the positive things in our lives. Instead of thinking about things that make us sad or upset, we can try to think about things that make us happy and grateful. We can also practice mindfulness, which means paying attention to the present moment without judgment. When we're mindful, we can enjoy the things around us and feel more connected to the world. So, remember kids, happiness is important, and there are many things we can do to create more happiness in our lives. By doing things we enjoy, being kind to others, focusing on the positive, and practicing mindfulness, we can all be a little happier each day. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun, educational videos.